Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight stocks with intriguing developments. I'm Mitchell, and today we're covering ESH Acquisition Corp, ticker ESHA, a blank check company, or SPAC, formed to pursue mergers, asset acquisitions, or business combinations in high growth sectors. 2025 has delivered solid performance for ESHA amid the evolving SPAC landscape. On December 8th, the company announced shareholder approval to extend the business combination deadline, providing additional time to complete a deal and avoid liquidation. This flexibility has fueled optimism. Year to date returns exceed 33%, with shares rocketing to $14.38 as of December 30th, up sharply from prior levels on increased volume, reflecting investor interest in potential targets. With ongoing merger discussions, including a previously announced agreement with the original Fit Factory. ESHA could see further catalysts ahead. SPAC play with upside risk? Share your thoughts below. Buy, hold, or watch. Like for more SPAC insights, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next year. I'm Mitchell Makes Vids. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. I'll see you in the next one and next year. Thank you.